Hey, what's up my friends? There are two crucial things that you need to know about this phone mount before you spend your money on it. I'm gonna talk about those two things in just a second, but first, let's just talk about the features and what it's like to actually install this thing. Check this out. Yeah, baby. Let me bring you closer and show you some of the features. Now, one of the crucial things about these is that they need to be really robust in holding your phone in place, because obviously you're gonna be going over so many bumps and wind and all of that stuff is going to be a factor when you think about mounting your phone to a bicycle or a motorcycle. This thing is awesome at holding the phone. So we open it up just by pinching those two pieces right there, but look at how it holds all four corners of the phone with nice rubber cushioned clasps right here. And as soon as I push the phone onto this button, they snap in just like that and hold the phone. No matter what the size of the phone is, they hold it really nice and tight. Now, it's a little bit of tension to get those to go in, and that's on purpose because you want this holding your phone as tight as possible. So let's talk about what it's like to actually install it. It's going to come in two different pieces. So the first piece is the clamp right here, and the second piece is the actual holder. This ball joint right here will be loosened up, opened up, and this will be separate. So you have the ball and the ball joint and clamp, and then you have the mount. You might need to loosen this up just a little bit more in order to get that ball joint in, but once it's in, then you just tighten this down, and that's also what's going to allow you to have whatever angle you want on this phone holder. So you can have that angle, and you can mount it however you want to mount it. I like to mount mine with the clamp up under the bar rather than over the bar, just because I think it looks better and there's less things going on up here. Now, the other thing is that there is a lock here as well. So this is extra security for when your phone is in this holder. So once you've clamped it down, you can push this little lock up just like that, and these things are not going anywhere, no matter what. Even if something pushes on these and it locks it right into place, it's an added beautiful security to make sure that your phone's right in place all of the time. So, but in order to open it back up, you're gonna have to unlock it, and then it will open up just like that. In order to mount it, you just have this, it's totally toolless. You have this finger screw right here. So you just find the spot that you want it to be in, tighten this down with your finger. I know you can't see that because it's behind the phone holder, but you get the idea. I'm just twisting the screw and I twist it. Once I do that, we're completely mounted and ready to go. All I have to do is add a phone and it's ready. So my friends, I've absolutely loved having this phone mount on our e-bikes. We have two e-bikes. I have one on each one. And it's just nice to have your phone accessible right here, be able to see it, but it not be a distraction. By the way, you can tighten up the tension on the ball joint just by screwing that back screw that I showed you. Forgot to mention that. It's a little bit harder when the phone's in. So you want to find that angle and then get that screwed nice and tight so it will hold the same angle. But absolutely love them, absolutely recommend them. They are great for the price, very handy to have as we cruise around town and to keep our phones accessible, but also secure. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this video has been helpful in deciding whether or not this is the right bike phone mount for you. Thanks so much for watching. Peace, everybody.